Hello and welcome to my this YouTube channel Gaurav Motive Unbox. In recent days I have seen a lot of advertisement of the brand Free Culture on Instagram and on Facebook also. So I also decided to buy some stuff from this brand. A couple of days back I bought two buffs, that face masks, and now I have got t-shirts and vests in this packet. So first of all we'll unbox it, we'll let them come out of the packet, and then we'll talk about the stuff also. We'll see how soft it is. Like they say, it is 3 times softer than cotton. So we'll see, and then I'll make them go through a wash test also, because the company claims that their color cannot fade at all. So we'll go through that wash test also, and then I'll be trying them on. So let us not waste more time and just see the product how it is. So I have got two utility pouches. They call it utility pouches. So let me open one of them. Here you will get the branding and then that net wala pouch, and here are two t-shirts, and this is a very good color undoubtedly. I have that buff also of the same color, and you can see the color and stuff, and here you get the branding or some of the slogans like every day is a new day. Let us see the second one. This is blue, and here you don't get any slogan but the Free Culture branding. And the cloth, if I talk about, that is actually very soft, means you will feel very comfortable, like summer season is approaching or it has approached almost. So I think this is going to soothe you more than any other cloth.
1, 2 and 3.
I ordered 3 vests. So this is something new. This color is actually very fascinating and very soothing also. So it will definitely give you complete comfort, because the cloth is actually very soft. So this is vest number 1. Most of the people use white, so do I. And here it is written a slogan again, you can read yourself, and the stuff is same. And this one is grey one. Grey is also very good. Well, when we talk about vests, so we don't talk about colors and all, we talk about the comfort. So comfort is, I think, 100%. So trust yourself. So we have unboxed it, and now let us try them on. So well, right now I'm wearing that Free Culture t-shirt, and it is actually very soft, and in wearing it is very comfortable. When you wear it, you will feel like you are not wearing anything. So it is that much of soft and light. And this is that buff, and it is also very soothing and very soft, and it is going to save you from the hefty fine. So do wear masks also, and it is very comfortable. Now let's do the wash test and let us see whether the color fades or not. I am putting all the stuff in the same bucket so that we should know whether they catch each other's color or not. Now I have added detergent also. Sometimes the clothes leave their color immediately after they are put into the bucket, but here we can see that the stuff has not left even little amount of color, and let's keep it for some time and then see later. The stuff has passed wash test also, as the color hasn't faded at all. So guys, whatever I have shared in this video, that is based on my own experience with this brand, because I have spoken high of Free Culture. So maybe some people think that this is a sponsored video, but indeed it is not. I am as normal customer of Free Culture as you may be. So finally, what I would say about this brand is a good brand, and the stuff is very soft as they claim. And one little lack is that, like when I was wearing this buff here as a mask, so it was slipping down. So it could be my fault also, because this was the first time I was using a buff. So maybe I was not wearing it properly in the way that should be worn, and maybe because this stuff is too soft, it is very soft, so that's why it was slipping down. But it was finally slipping down. Other than this, I didn't find anything wrong about this brand, and I may be a regular customer of this brand in future also. So if you also want to order these products of Free Culture, then you will find the link in the description box. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, it's not a good thing. Subscribe it right away. So see you in the next video. Again, we'll be doing some other unboxing.